has the red rings on it. So this is the towel trick that we're gonna do. It's our version of it. Okay, so here he is. You can clearly see he's laying out the towel. Placing the Xbox nicely on it. Wrapping it tightly, so
how long should we leave this?
I'm not really sure.
I read online like 30 minutes with it on, so with gasoline, a couple minutes, that should heat it up. I don't think you're supposed to smoke while you're doing this.
Probably not a good idea.
Oh well. I don't think we've got enough gas. Going. Oh, let me go get my torch. Need my torch because I don't want to stand close to it when I do it. So, first thing is a couple, 2-3 gallons of gas. Put a little bit on your towel, both sides, so you can heat it up. And then you, on your little cord there, and then a little over there, a little over there, some over there, a little more down there, and then always be safe that you put your gas back in the house.
Of course,
in the garage.
safety first.
Yep. Then you want to stand a little bit of ways, light your torch. And then look for the wet spot. And that should get your, how long did it say to let those, 20 minutes? So maybe if we're using gasoline, maybe 5 minutes, or until the cops don't show up. Yeah, just trying to heat it up and see how it's evenly heating on both sides there. What do you think, Jared? This gonna work?
Yes, it should. Yeah.
Yeah. As long as the cops or the fire department don't come by. Keep a lookout. Yeah. Whoops. Oh shit. There's a cop. Coeur d'Alene's finest. Or no, we don't live in Coeur d'Alene. We live in Boston.
Yeah, Boston.
Yeah. They drove
Go
right
Red
by,
Sox.
right by without seeing. Yeah. Yeah. How about those Seahawks? Yeah. Should be just about done. As long as the cops don't come by again. Then again, they didn't see. Let's see here. Okay. That should be just about right. So then, you're always thinking safety first. Oh crap, there went another cop. Safety first, you got a bucket of water. Just throw it on there.
The water shouldn't affect any of the
The electronics are totally waterproof in these. And then, let's see, fill your towel off, which also will help sop up the water a little bit, and toss it over there so your mom and wife don't find out you used it. And there you go. You got your towel trick. And here in a little bit, we'll toss her in the dryer, let her dry out for a minute, and then we'll give her a try in the house, see how she does.
Towel trick.
All right. Okay.
Looks pretty good.
Now, I've got to plug her in. You got to carefully plug your video cord in. It's carefully in. Then you got to carefully plug in your power supply so you don't short it out and catch anything on fire. There we go. Now if you come around here, let's see if she's still red ring. I took the cover off so you could see what we were doing. Button doesn't work. It's got power. I don't think that button works. Yeah, let me put this back in there and see if it... Alright, well... I'm going to take that little piece off there, maybe it'll fit right. Alright, let me jiggle the plugs around a little bit, see what they're doing. I don't think it's supposed to smell like this.
I don't think you're supposed to get it that warm where it smells like hot plastic.
Yeah, let me move the plugs around a little bit on it and see. I'll go on the TV there and see if she works. See, look on the TV and I see the lights. Oh wow! I guess when you do that, it'll actually do the updates for you too.
Yeah.
Because it's showing on there. But sometimes now, if you come back over here and look at this, sometimes you'll see where if you get it too hot, it won't work the lights right. But I think everything else should still work on it. Yeah, everything works fine on it still. So yeah, so that's all you do if you want to save some time instead of doing it for 30 minutes heating it up. Just wrap it in a towel, half gallon of gasoline, a pint of STP, little rubbing alcohol, and a blowtorch. So yeah, that seems to work on it. What do you think, Jer?
I'm really impressed. I mean, I finally get to play all my games now.
Yeah. A little rough on the box, but I mean, where can you get a custom box for that in like 15 minutes? That's not too bad. So yeah, it's Dave and Jared just showing you how to do the towel trick on your Xbox, and I really wouldn't show your mom that one when you're done that one, because it needs a little work there. But yeah, everything works good. How do you turn these damn things off now? Oh, there you go. Turn off console. Let's see. Yeah, works perfect, just like new.